Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. I'll tell you how to make orange mojito mocktail. Take a shaker glass, add some fresh mint leaf, then add 3 lime wedges. Then you have to add 4 orange slices into the center glass. Then you have to muddle all the ingredients gently so that you will get the flavor of mint and orange and lemon. Then fill the glass with crushed ice and squeeze fresh lime juice. 20 ml of fresh lime juice you can add. Then add 20 ml of mint mojito syrups. Then add 20 ml of sugar syrup or simple syrup. Then add 30 ml of orange crush. After that, you have to stir all the ingredients properly so that the mint leaf will come middle of the glass. Then serve the mocktail with straw and stirrers. Then garnish with orange slice. Then you have to fill the glass with fresh soda. So very refreshment mocktail. Again you have to garnish with mint spring. Again garnish with some orange slices and take a lime wedges, just do it like that, and pour some orange crush onto the lime wedges. See, it will look so beautiful. See, the mocktail is ready. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.